My name is David H, and this is my project for Blue Stamp this year. So my project this year was a robot based off of an infrared sensor. So this is my first milestone. My first milestone was just simply putting all the components together, like the chassis. So yeah, just building that with all the supports and everything, putting the motors into the correct place, getting the sensor on the board, all the power sources dealt with, the Arduino, the motor controller, wiring everything. So, I've been able to get that done. What were some challenges that I've gone through? Well, mainly, one thing that it was really hard was getting the wheels on the motors. For some reason, required a lot of force. So getting the wheels onto the motors after doing the chassis. First, I tried putting the wheels on first, but then I realized I had to get it on the chassis first before I put the wheels on. So that was very challenging. Additionally, I had a lot of problems with my wiring. I didn't realize the correct way to wire my motor controller, and I didn't realize that my perf board needed installed rails rather than it just having rails to start out. So that was pretty confusing. But here is the robot put together. That's what I have made so far. Just the chassis, just the components together. It's not working yet. Moving forward, I have a code that I've been working on, so I'm just gonna try and get that to work. Fixing problems with my wiring to make the code work and everything, getting rid of all the bugs in my code, and then getting the sensor, getting the car to work based off of the IR sensor. At first, just having it work simply like object avoidance and stuff like that, like being able to spot something in front of the robot and then being able to turn, and then maybe moving on as a step forward from that. I'll try and maybe explore different avenues of the IR sensor in ways that could help my robot. So I'll see, but that's where I am right now. Thank you.